Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Wyze Cam Battery is probably one of the most versatile and affordable wireless security cameras on the market, offering a compelling blend of features and convenience for homeowners looking to keep an eye on their property without the hassle of wires or complex installation, making it an excellent choice for renters or those who prefer a flexible security solution that can be easily moved or repositioned as needed. Number 5. Wyze Cam V3 Smart Home Security Camera. Experience crystal clear 1080p HD video with a full 360 degrees pan and 180 degrees tilt. It's ideal for use as a reliable indoor or outdoor camera, with the ability to set custom waypoints for automated monitoring. See vivid details even in complete darkness with advanced color night vision. This feature is perfect for monitoring dimly lit areas like your driveway, backyard, or nursery, day or night. This versatile camera automatically detects and follows movement, whether it's your pet, kids, or visitors. You'll receive real-time alerts and enjoy smooth, accurate tracking. Built to resist rain, heat, and cold, this camera delivers unwavering performance in any season. It's designed for true outdoor durability. Communicate with clarity using the built-in microphone and speaker. It's perfect for reassuring pets, greeting guests, or issuing warnings. Choose between local video storage with a microSD card or cloud recording with Wyze Cam Plus. Enjoy this flexibility without any hidden costs or required subscriptions. Focus on what matters by defining specific detection areas to avoid false alerts. You can also receive critical notifications for smoke or CO alarms. What we like. If you need to monitor a large area, this camera's 360 degrees pan and tilt capabilities are a game changer. Its AI motion tracking ensures you never miss a moment, whether it's pets or people. For those who want comprehensive coverage indoors or outdoors, this is the smart choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. The motion detection is very accurate, with customizable zones to reduce false alerts. The video quality is surprisingly good for the price, offering clear and sharp images even in low light conditions. Number 4. Wyze Cam Outdoor Add-on Camera. Enjoy the freedom of mounting it anywhere without worrying about wires. It can last up to 6 months on a single charge, offering long-lasting security. Forget about complicated wiring or finding power outlets. Our app provides simple, step-by-step instructions for a quick and easy wireless setup. Connect up to 4 cameras to a single base station. You can easily monitor all your video feeds directly within the Wyze app. Receive instant alerts when movement is detected, thanks to its built-in PAR sensor that senses body heat. You can even define custom detection zones for tailored security. This device is built to withstand tough weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance no matter the elements. Experience sharp 1080p Full HD video, both for live streaming and recordings. Its powerful night vision illuminates your surroundings, letting you see every detail clearly. What we like. If you're looking for ultimate flexibility in placement without the hassle of wires, this add-on camera is perfect. Its long battery life means less frequent charging. Consider this if you want to easily expand your existing Wyze system to cover more blind spots. What people say. The Wyze Cam Battery offers excellent video quality, capturing clear and detailed footage even in low light conditions. Its motion detection is highly accurate, reliably alerting users to any activity around their property. The battery life is impressive, lasting several weeks on a single charge under normal usage. Number 3. Wyze Cam V4 AI Security Camera. Experience unparalleled clarity with our latest smart camera. It records in stunning 2560 by 1440 resolution, capturing every crucial detail like faces and license plates that standard cameras often miss. It's perfect for monitoring entryways where every detail matters. See the world in full color, even in complete darkness. Our advanced starlight sensor and built-in spotlight provide vibrant, full-color footage, outperforming traditional infrared cameras. Keep an eye on your property all night long with exceptional clarity. This camera is engineered to withstand the elements. With an IP65 weatherproof rating, it's protected against dust and water jets, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, heat, or humidity. It operates flawlessly in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Deter unwanted visitors automatically. When motion is detected, a bright spotlight illuminates the area, and a powerful 100 dB siren sounds to scare off intruders. You can also trigger these features remotely for added peace of mind. Receive only the notifications you need. Its on-device AI intelligently identifies people, packages, pets, and vehicles, filtering out false alarms. This ensures you're alerted to what truly matters, whether it's a delivery or your pet playing outside. Enjoy extensive recording capabilities without monthly costs. It supports up to 512 GB of local storage on a microSD card, allowing you to save weeks of footage. Experience true security without ongoing subscription fees. Communicate instantly with anyone on your property. Through the built-in speaker and microphone, you can talk to visitors, thank delivery drivers, or warn off potential threats. It's also perfect for checking in on children or pets remotely. What we like. If capturing the finest details, like license plates or faces, is crucial, this camera's 2.5K resolution is a must. The integrated spotlight and siren offer active deterrence for enhanced security. Choose this if you want a proactive security solution that can actively scare off potential intruders. What people say. The battery life is great, lasting for weeks on a single charge. The motion detection is very accurate, only alerting when there is actual movement. The camera is easy to set up and connect to Wi-Fi. Number 2. EUFY Security C210 Battery Video Doorbell Kit. Experience superior clarity with our 1080p HD resolution and WDR technology. It ensures every detail at your doorstep is captured in vivid quality, no matter the time of day. Keep your data securely stored locally with advanced encryption. Simply add a microSD card to hold your footage safely offline, giving you privacy and peace of mind. Enjoy a modern, slim design that complements any entryway. Its wire-free setup takes mere minutes, making installation a breeze. Benefit from 120 days of vigilant door monitoring on a single charge. It provides reliable coverage and peace of mind, with no subscription required. Invest in a security solution that requires no ongoing fees. It's a cost-effective, one-time purchase for continuous protection, ensuring smart savings. Receive intelligent alerts with AI detection and communicate directly with visitors using the two-way audio feature. Stay connected and informed about who's at your door. What we like. If you want a doorbell camera with exceptional battery life and no ongoing subscription fees, this is it. It offers clear 1080p video and stores footage locally for privacy. This is ideal for those who prefer a simple, cost-effective, and reliable way to see who's at their door. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several months on a single charge. The magnetic mount makes installation a breeze, allowing for flexible placement. The video quality is surprisingly good for the price point, with clear images even in low light. Number 1. AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera. Experience a 170-degree ultra-wide view that captures your entire doorstep, from head to toe. You'll never miss a visitor again with this comprehensive perspective. Tired of false alarms? Our advanced detection technology focuses on people, ensuring you only get notified about actual visitors. Receive timely alerts with clear images of who's at your door. See every detail in stunning 2K Full HD clarity. This device provides exceptional video quality, allowing you to clearly identify visitors and their actions. Respond instantly with preset messages when you're busy. For added privacy or security, you can even use the voice changer feature to alter your voice. Stay connected and in control of your home security with two-way audio. Communicate with visitors remotely, no matter where you are. Easily integrated with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control. Enhance your smart home security system effortlessly. This is the ultimate solution for comprehensive home security and convenience. Protect your family, packages, and property with confidence and enjoy peace of mind. What we like. If you want to see almost everything at your doorstep with its 170 degrees ultra-wide view, this doorbell camera is for you. Its 2K clarity and intelligent parcel detection ensure you know exactly what's happening. This is perfect for homeowners who want to maximize their field of view and get precise alerts for deliveries. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge with moderate use. The motion detection is highly accurate, alerting me to any activity promptly. Installation was a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes to set up and connect to my Wi-Fi network. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.